Manpreet Kaur and you're watching episode number 14 on Learn Vocabulary with Manpreet. So don't forget to subscribe. And without wasting any time, let's learn our today's word. The first word that we are going to learn today is indispensable. It's an adjective and spelled as indispensable. It means absolutely necessary. So next time if you want to use that something is necessary to me, use indispensable. Let's use this word in a couple of sentences. Our first sentence is my best friends are indispensable. They are my family. That means मेरी best friends एकदम necessary हैं, वो मेरी family हैं. Our second sentence is cars have become an indispensable part of our lives. That means cars हमारे लाइफ का एक बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट पार्ट बन चुके हैं, लाइक नेसेसरी पार्ट हो चुके हैं वो. Our second word is embody. It's a verb and spelled as EMBODY. It means include, contain, or it can also mean to stand as a symbol of something. That means किसी चीज को represent करना, symbolize करना या incorporate करना. Let's see how we will use this word in a sentence. Our first sentence is sometimes our body language embodies our mood. That means sometimes कभी कभार हमारी body language हमारा mood represent कर देती है, like बता देती है कि हमारा mood क्या होगा. Our second sentence is my videos embody lifestyle, food and fashion vlogs. That means मेरी वीडियो include करती हैं lifestyle, food and fashion vlogs को. Our third and last word from today's video is earmark. It's a verb and spelled as EARMARK. It means to reserve or to designate something for a particular purpose. In simpler words, किसी चीज को अलग रख देना. Our first sentence is I have earmarked 20% of savings for my trip next year. That means कि मैंने अपनी savings 20% पहले से ही reserve कर ली हैं अपनी trip के लिए. Our second sentence is we have decided to earmark some of our days for the family. That means हमने decide किया है कि हम अपनी family के लिए कुछ days reserve करके रख लेंगे. The three words that we have learned today are indispensable. It means absolutely necessary. The second is embody. It means include, contain, किसी चीज को symbolize करना या represent करना. And the third and the last is earmark. It means किसी चीज को अलग रख देना या reserve कर देना. I think ये मेरा अब तक का favorite episode था. Because इसको मैंने बहुत जल्दी shoot कर लिया. And the second is ये words मेरे favorite हैं and इसको मैं रोज regularly use करती हूँ. So all you have to do is frame a sentence with each word and comment in the comment box. Also don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you guys don't miss out on any words. Like, comment and share it with your friends and family because knowledge sharing is a good practice. See you in next episode. Till then, bye bye, take care, love ya.